Okay, hello guys. Umpisahan na natin, pag-uusapan natin kung paano tayo mag-franchise ng TGP or the Generics Pharmacy. Okay, so first of all, ang franchise fee o yung total investment ng TGP o yung the Generics Pharmacy is 600 to 800,000 pesos. Okay, so since ngayong lockdown, di ba, yung medicines, itong mga gamot, sobrang in demand, sobrang viable kasi nga ang daming nangangailangan ng mga vitamins, ng mga medicines pang maintenance, 'di ba? At dahil lockdown tayo, syempre ang tendency yung mga tao talagang bumibili ng maramihan para hindi sila maubusan. Yung iba nag-hoard na nga ng mga gamot nila, especially para sa mga seniors na kailangan meron talagang pang-maintenance, okay? Dahil kung hindi ka makakabili for sabihin natin 2 to 3 months at wala kang maintenance, ganun din sa mga bata, yung mga support naman for immune system. So, kaya napakagandang negosyo ang uh, pharmacy, okay? Ito yung isa sa mga parang pandemic proof na business. Okay, so sabi natin, ang franchise fee, ang initial investment is 600 to 800,000 pesos and it includes the support system necessary to run or operate the TGP o yung the generics pharmacy. Okay, so in addition, all stores are required to pay 1% of the gross sales as advertising fee. Meron kang babayarang advertising fee which is 1% lang naman of the gross sales. And this is paid on or before the 15th of the succeeding month. Okay? So once na nag-start ka na ng operation, the next 15th, ika-15th day of the succeeding month, yung susunod na buwan, doon ka magbabayad ng 1% ng gross sales mo, which is para sa advertising fee. Okay? Medyo mainit. So, ang inclusion ng franchise package, ito pakinggan natin. So, merong 3 mandatory trainings. So, pagdating sa training, it includes community and pharmacy training para sa mga store personnel, kung ilan man ang store personnel mo, kung may 2, 3 ka store personnel. And then, pre-operations training. Ito, napaka-importante din ito para sa mismong owner ng outlet, okay? Dun sa franchisee mismo. Number 3, yung continued franchise education seminar for franchisee and as well as sa store personnel. Okay, kasi dapat suportahan yan yung franchisee, mismong owner, plus yung mga store personnel. Dapat alam nila kung paano patakbuhin tong pharmacy. Okay? So, full support package also includes yung rights to use the TGP's trademark. Siyempre, kailangan mo yon dahil siyempre, i-carry mo yung kanilang business, di ba? So, you need the trademark, the name, and the logo. Okay? So, kumbaga, kasama yon sa babayaran mo. Second, yung start-up and pre-opening assistance. So, syempre, di ba, usually pagka nakakakita tayo ng mga stores na nag-open, bagong open pa lang, makikita mo talagang ina-assist sila nung company. So, meron silang mga marketing strategies na ginagawa. Yung iba may logo, may mga patugtog dyan, di ba, para maka-attract ng customers. Okay. Third, yung site evaluation. Very important yung site evaluation assistance na manggagaling sa company dahil syempre malalaman nila kung yung location ba, yung proposed location mo ba is very strategic. Ibig sabihin, maganda yung location mo, maganda yung pagkakapili mo ng location, nandun ka sa mismong spot na maraming foot traffic. Okay? Number 4 is yung architectural or yung store design and construction assistance. So, hindi na ikaw mag-iisip, paano ba ginagawa yan? paano yung ganito, paano yung ganon. So, sila na mismo mag-a-assist sa mga hinar mong construction worker dun sa store design, okay? Number 5, yung franchise operations manual, which is very important and very necessary to operate and para makapag-function ka ng kumbaga nasa right direction ka, okay? Number 6, yung extensive training on pharmacy retailing, business management, operations, and customer service. Okay, hindi basta-basta pharmacy lang to. Kasi syempre it involves yung customer service dahil syempre may bumibili sa'yo, yung mga customers mo, di ba? Yung business management, napaka-importante yon. And of course, yung operations mismo. Number 7, yung guidance and education on generic drugs, okay? So, hindi basta-basta kasi yung pagbebenta ng mga medicines o ng mga drugs. Hindi drugs na ano to ha. Ito yung mga over-the-counter drugs, okay? So, hindi basta-basta. It takes kailangan merong support and of course, yung mismong i-hire mo, kailangan is licensed pharmacist, okay? So, hindi pwede yung hindi lisensyado. Dahil, syempre, yung mga license, sila yung talagang may karapatan at talagang alam nila kung ano yung ginagawa nila. Alam nila kung ano yung mga generic names na pag-aralan nila lahat yan. Okay? Number 8, regular advertising support. Okay, pag sinabing advertising support, itong company, lahat ng pwede nilang suporta pagdating sa marketing. Ito nga, advertising and marketing, isa lang yan. So, ibibigay sa inyo para maging profitable itong business mo. Okay? Number 9, marketing and promotion assistance, almost the same, di ba? Sa marketing, syempre makikita mo minsan sa mga walls ng store, di ba? O kaya kung salamin man yung pinaka dingding niya, yung pinaka wall, makikita mo merong mga tarpaulin, di ba? Tapos sa labas merong standee na ang nag-a-advertise o nagke-carry ng product name is isang artista. Okay. So, yun yung isa sa mga pang-come on nila ng customers. Isa sa yon sa mga marketing and promotion assistance na ginagawa nila. Okay? And, syempre, yung continuing support to help run and maintain your outlets, performance at optimum level. Okay? Kailangan kasi mag-perform yung outlet. Hindi pwede yung ngayon, ito lang ang benta mo, bukas ganito lang, di ba? Kailangan talaga may sinusunod siyang pattern. Okay? So, number 1, regular monitoring of outlets. So, minomonitor pala nila yan. Hindi basta-basta pag nag-franchise ka, pababayaan ka na lang nila. So, imomonitor ka nila as long as you're a franchisee. Okay? So, number 2, direct and open line communication with franchisor. So, meron kayong communication, direct and open line. Kailangan anything na importante at necessary for the improvement at performance ng outlet mo, kailangan itatanong mo lagi kay franchisor. Okay? So, ongoing business consulting and guidance. Okay, kamukha nung, for example, meron kang pagdating sa mga deliveries, meron kang hindi nalilinawan, o meron kang nakalimutan, pwede mo silang i-consult. Okay? At i-guide ka rin naman nila. So, number 4 is refresher trainings on new products, services, promotions, or retail renovations. Okay? Kasi syempre, di ba, napakadaming gamot yan. Hindi mo masasaulo lahat, hindi mo ma-memorize lahat ng mga pangalan yan, yung mga generic names, di ba? Kaya kailangan mo ng refresher trainings, okay? At kung paano ba kayo mag-i-innovate, ano ba yung mga pakulo na pwede yung gawin para mag-boost yung sales, yung performance ng outlet, okay? So, number 5 is yung national and local store marketing, support and guidance. Okay? So, kamukha na sinabi natin, hindi ka pababayaan. Laging merong marketing support and guidance from company. Okay? So, according to the company, the expected payback period to recover the franchise fee investment is around 2 to 3 years. Okay? So, ito yung ROI or return of investment. Makukuha mo siya in 2 to 3 years. Okay? So, depende na rin on the overall performance ng iyong TGP outlet. Kaya kung meron kang proposed outlet, kung ikaw ang pipili, dapat pumili ka talaga nung strategic location na talaga ang foot traffic 24/7. Ibig sabihin, laging maraming taong dumadaan, hindi nawawala ng tao. Okay? So, here are the requirements. Okay? Requirement of registered pharmacist as staff. Okay, ito yung para sa registered pharmacist to. Okay, so unang-una yung location requirements. The company requires a TGP location to be at least 1 kilometer away from the nearest TGP drugstores or be located inside a mall with a cinema. Okay, hindi kayo pwede kasi magkalapit. Kung meron kang merong another TGP store na malapit sa iyo, 'di ba? Hindi kayo pwedeng magkalapit. At least 1 kilometer away. Kumbaga, isa lang siguro sa isang barangay. Okay? So, each TGP outlet must be at least 15 square meter in size. So, hindi naman ganun kalaki. 15 square meter. And otherwise, it won't be approved by the FDA. So, hindi siya ma-approve kung medyo maliit doon. Siguro malaki, ma-approve siya. Pero once na mas maliit sa 15 square meter, hindi ma-approve ng Food and Drug Administration. Okay. So, here's the application steps. Okay. Paano ka ba mag-a-apply as franchisee? So, for those who are interested to acquire the TGP franchise should submit the following. Okay, makinig po. Number 1, letter of intent. Number 2, vicinity or location map of the proposed site. Okay, napaka-importante nito yung vicinity mismo na talagang pinag-aralan mo kung saan mo ilalagay. Kasi, syempre, di ba, traditional business, brick and mortar business. Ibig sabihin, pagdating sa ganitong klase ng business, traditional business, ang pinag-uusapan dito is location. Okay? Walang any business na nag-e-exist sa mundo na hindi nag-click kung talagang nakakuha ng magandang location. Okay, for example, sa tingin mo si Jollibee or si McDonald's, mag-click-click kung nasa gitna ng bundok or nasa tabi ng isang sapa, 'di ba? So dapat talaga pag-isipan natin pagdating sa location. Okay? Dahil yun nga, kamukha na sinabi ko, location. Ito yung key para sa profitable business. Okay, number 3, filled out franchise prequalification form. So, meron kang form na i-fill out and merong kailangang resume, attached with a resume with colored ID. Okay? So, the company will review the applications. If qualified, the potential franchisee will be invited into a business meeting. Okay? To discuss the details and terms of the franchise prior to signing the franchise agreement. Okay. So, once na na-qualified ka, immediately i-invite ka for a business meeting. Okay? And then, i-discuss nila sa'yo yung terms of the franchise. Kung paano mo gagawin. Okay? Bago kayo magpirmahan ng franchise agreement. Okay? So, kung may tanong ka pa at meron pang hindi ka naintindihan at meron kang gustong malaman pa aside dun sa mga diniscuss natin, bibigay ko sa iyo yung kanilang telephone number para pwede mo silang i-contact once na wala ng COVID. Okay? Wala na ring lockdown. So, pwede mo nang gawin tong business na to dahil itong pharmacy business, isa sa mga pandemic-proof business na kahit merong ganitong klase ng pandemic, ganitong crisis sa bansa, bukas pa rin sila, kumikita pa rin. Okay? So, isa sa mga patok na business, anywhere. Okay, kahit nasaan ka. Okay, so thank you for watching and I hope meron ka natutunan sa ating maiksing video for today. And I hope to see you again for another video. Okay, so stay safe. Bye-bye. God bless.